If you're looking for a home in an established community in Union County, but have a hard time finding something in your price range, let me introduce you to Cottage Green.
At Cottage Green, you get to choose the floor plan that fits your lifestyle. Here you can choose from a variety of floor plans. Plus, there's even an option to have your owner suite on the main level. You won't have to sacrifice modern design for affordability. Here you'll find open layouts that let you watch your favorite show while prepping dinner in the kitchen. Everyone will have a space of their own. And there's convenient features like upstairs laundry rooms that put an end to lugging heavy baskets of clothes up the stairs. You will appreciate the difference you find in the details, like the ability to personalize your home from the cabinets to the flooring, countertops, and more. Not only will you love your new home, but the feeling of this established community. Enjoy sidewalk-lined streets, craftsman exteriors, and beautiful yards because lawn maintenance is included. And all of this in a convenient location right here in Union County, just minutes from Highway 74, for easy access to commuter routes and plenty of options for shopping, dining, and more.
If you're picturing your life here and want to know how to learn more, you're in luck. We just completed construction on our model home, so it's ready for you to explore. Schedule a personalized visit today. We look forward to welcoming you home.